Porcupine TiSlim is one of those knives that when you see them in this video, just go ahead and try to find it and buy it right now. Because this thing is not only going to get sold out, it's also going to probably cost around $400 someday in the future. This thing is a collectible item and it comes from my favorite company now. It's called Vosteed. It makes some of the best knives I ever seen. And the quality is absolutely amazing as well. So this is the box and this is the carry case that you get this with here. The TiSlim design is exactly what it says. It is very slim. Take a look at how slim this entire knife actually is. Slimmer than my finger. It is a slim knife. Excellent for your pocket. Now this is the titanium edition of it. And furthermore, the material itself, you can feel it. It's just amazing. You can feel this whole titanium right throughout this. The design, the terrain on this is not only amazing, it's also what makes it absolutely expensive knife because it's all made out of 100% titanium. Well, almost 100% that is. Furthermore, it has S90V cutting blade. It's long. It is a beauty of a knife. It's one of the most beautiful knives I have in my collection. And titanium is one of the best metals for you to make a statement, and it's also one of the most beautiful metals as well. Another thing about this is that it holds its value and it looks beautiful too. So combining titanium with S90V cutting surface, this is screaming absolute premium. So if you haven't had your false titanium, you should definitely get one. This is a button lock here, but it's absolutely safe. It doesn't just accidentally turns on because it is recessed right inside here and you have to use a bunch of force and hold it for it to actually go ahead and fall down. Not only that, it doesn't fall all the way down. It's by design. It specifically is not going to fall on your finger. Well, sometimes it does, but sometimes it doesn't go all the way in, and it's just like that. So yeah, you have to hold it for it to fall down. If you let go, it stops, just like that. I actually really dig this knife. I think it is absolutely amazing. The whole entire quality, how slim it is, how beautiful it is as well. So if you're looking for something that is totally out of this world and very slim, made out of titanium, this one is for you to consider. Now, what do you get here? Inside here, let me just show you. This is the case it comes with. This is standard for Vosteed, the carry case, and this one is a little different. Sometimes they have different ones. This one has the hose right on here, and in this specific one it says what it is, the Vosteed Porcupine TiSlim over here. Now for those of you who are interested to see what is inside this thing itself, here's the instructions booklet, so we know this is authentic because that's what you get when you buy this. So we have a sticker, we have the Psychops information about this, we have the orange thing for you to wipe your hands or wipe the knife itself, and that's all right inside here. And this is what holds the knife in place as well here. So this is to show you that this is authentic and the real deal, and that's the kind of box you want to see this sold in. But definitely if you're considering getting this for yourself, this is the knife that you should collect for you. The price is only going to go up. There is very limited edition of this specific one ever made, and if you go to the website it might be already sold out, and if it is, have to go on eBay and get one of those instead because they're just very hard to find. Super collectible. Collectors absolutely love the titanium in this, how they look, how they feel, And this is something that if you are a knife collector, you want to have in your collection. You really want to have something like this. Maybe someday this is going to be worth 500 bucks. Who knows? It's all about demand and supply, and above all, their looks as well. Knives do hold their value, especially limited edition ones, such as this over here. I absolutely dig this. I like how slim this thing is. And if you want something EDC that is different, somebody who has just about everything, this is the knife for you to definitely consider getting for yourself. It is nice and slim, great as a gift, looks absolutely amazing, and for somebody who has it all, this is it. Make sure you get them something just like this. I absolutely love this knife. I like the quality, I like the way it looks. I absolutely adore the gift idea. The box itself, limited edition, is just something that you must have for yourself. So what are you waiting for? Get one today and check it out. This knife is just amazing.